a.m.
Hi, it's Steve Sherry. I just talked to the transport people. They'll be there at 10:45. And Ursula, I hope you can be there because these dogs are in really, really bad shape.
So
I want to get some videos. Okay, thanks. Bye.
I will
End
be
of
there.
messages.
Today is July the 29th, and we are waiting for a transport for little stray dogs from Alabama. We are just waiting for the transport.
Couple of shelters divided up who's getting who. Kind of. Agent and Cora. I know. That's Amy and Tiny. Yeah. Gigi gets adopted today. She'll take one. And then Sammy can take one of them when I get them home.
I'm going to go take
Oh my God! Look at the puppies down there. Oh my goodness! Look at the babies.
Let me see the puppies.
What about this little baby?
She's just that's a 9-year-old.
I think so. I have a 1.5 old at home.
You know, we don't know these dogs.
Right, sure. Is there a mom? Where's the mom? Yeah, because she's fearful. So she might be sick. Are you going to take the mom? It's a cutie though, isn't it?
Yeah, I would take this one. But that's the puppy.
Well, they're a lot of work.
No, I think they are too...
This looks like a little Shih Tzu.
yeah.
This is a cutie.
All right, look at me. I want to get Diane in there so I know.
Oh, we don't need Diane.
I need to know who's with
Okay.
What
That's
is
my it's just technical.
Cute
Now
cover.
tell me the
These
name
my
of
pictures
this
don't
dog.
go anywhere.
All right, then we're...
What about these here?
We don't have a foster for them.
No, I said I was going to take the black one. Sure.
Can I get the brown one?
I'm going to take the black one.
Yeah,
Can I get the brown one?
of course.
Okay, I take the brown one.
That way. I want to eat you up. Oh,
Well, there's 3 more in there.
Oh.
That's going to be my dog. Ursula gets this dog. And what's his name? We don't know. Is that a male? It's a female, no? Yeah,
yes, it's a female.
female. Okay. Good. We are going home now. We are getting a good home. Yeah. What a good girl you are.
And promoting the recovery.
This is a beautiful little dog.
Must rely on emergency
You are such a good little dog. We called you Peanuts. That's your name because we don't know what you were called, so we call you Peanuts.